Losing a project you've spent hours on is devastating. Welcome back to Day 29, Final Cut Pro for Beginners, a 30-day foundational video series. That's why backing up your work is the most important habit you can learn. In under 3 minutes, I'll show you the simplest way to back up your FCP projects. Remember how everything for your project is stored in the library file? This makes backing up very simple. First, close Final Cut Pro. Now, find your library file in the Finder. By default, it's usually in your Movies folder. It will have a purple icon with 4 stars. To back it up, all you need to do is copy this single file to another location, like an external hard drive or a cloud storage service. That's it, because we chose to copy media to library when we imported. Everything Final Cut Pro needs, your original clips, your timeline, your effects, is contained inside this one file. If anything ever happens to your computer, you can just copy this file back and open it on any Mac with Final Cut Pro. Backing up your library is the best way to protect your hard work. And with that, you now know the entire basic workflow of Final Cut Pro. In our final video, we'll do a quick recap of everything you've learned. Like and subscribe so you don't miss Day 30.